Talking about hair today on our program with a celebrity stylist and makeup artist, Marlo Colina. Celebrity, di ba? Kasi, you know, when performers come here, mga concert, pumupunta sila sa'yo, ikaw nag-aayos. Sino-sino na ba mga naayusin mo?
We've done mga Filipino stars and American stars. So, happy naman ako because, you know, they trust us and they come to the salon, or if not, we go to the concert events when they need us.
Ayan. Alright. Marlo Colina, tatlo na po ang kanyang salon. So, make sure if you have time to visit them. Long Beach, Rancho Cucamonga,
and Los Angeles.
And Los Angeles. Marlo, earlier we were talking about hair trends for men, especially for the summer. Now let's talk about the women. First up is this hair.
This is Anne Hathaway. Her pixie cut is back. So for all the women there na takot pong magpa-iksi ng buhok, please don't. Kasi hair grows, and I think short hair is sexy. It depends on how you carry yourself. So I think I would suggest, you know, don't be scared to go short.
Hindi ko yata kaya.
You should try it.
Hair. Pag short hair, di ba parang limited ang style?
Limited ang style, pero there's also ways on how to play with it. Kasi it's only short for like 2 to 3 months. And then after that, it's long na kaagad.
At saka parang madaling ayusin kasi wash and wear, tapos sasabunutan mo lang sarili mo with a product.
Yeah, exactly. I mean, you can just wake up and then put product on, and then you're done for the day.
Ayan. What about, hindi na lang siguro, magpapacolor na lang ako ng hair. And one color, this style is very...
It's still in ombre, but this time, we're not doing solid ombre anymore. You know, it's more paneled. So when you apply the highlights, you alternate the foils. So there's a new technique on this. So the difference is that it's not drastic as the ombre last year. So this time, mas softer siya. It looks like it's grown.
Mas subtle.
Mas subtle siya.
Now this one, this color is not subtle. It's vibrant red.
Of course, ang aking kaibigan na si Miss Casey.
Napakaganda.
You know, she's very inspiring to all our clients. There's actually a lot of clients who are into the reds right now, and I think red is in, but it has to be vibrant because it's not the winter time. So we wanted, for those people who could carry the really red color, then you could just be you're very welcome to do it. It's really fun. It fades in 2 to 3 weeks. So I think it's safe. Hindi naman masyadong red na red, nakakatakot. You know, because it fades into brown.
Even when I was still in the Philippines, whenever I used to color my hair red, or shades of red.
But it fades fast, di ba? It's the only color that fades fast.
And it becomes a little bit brown, on the brown side, which is good pa rin.
It's okay pa rin.
Now, para dun na sa mga iniinit, napakainit, di ba, ng panahon?
Sobra.
So for those of you looking also for a shortcut na naiinitan, here's another style for you.
Siyempre, your traditional bob, which is great for women who have really thin hair, or for women who wants volume and who wants movement at the same time. So bob is still in, especially for the summer, so don't be afraid to go short.
Is it true, Marluna, for people with a bob haircut, after you wash it, you blow dry, tapos pag
you blow dry it forward, you bend over. Okay, this is a tip. You apply a volumizing product, and then you just heat your blower into really, you know, high intensity, and then you just bend over, blower the hair, and then forward, and then you will see this volume. And then maybe do a little plancha sa sides.
Is there such a thing na wash and wear talaga? Kasi like ako, when I don't have time in the morning, and you don't want to style your hair every day, because otherwise it dries the hair, nasisira, diba?
I would, as a stylist, I would always suggest, first of all, to apply a leave-in protectant. This will protect the hair follicles from getting dry. Now, if you wanted, you know, yung wash and wear lang, make your hair long and then tie it like what you're doing right now. Pinoponytail mo siya, do a little curls. It's still sexy. But then, of course, you can be tying your hair every day.
Right, exactly.
So when you go short, as long as your stylist teach you how to do it, then I think you're fine. 5 minutes of hairstyling is fine.
And color also makes the style pop. So summer, you're saying that highlights are in? Highlights
are in. I would suggest everyone to get, you know, I mean, for people who likes highlights, it's really nice. It gives you volume. At the same time, it's really nice when you're under the sun. You know, it makes your hair look vibrant. You give that really nice aura and gives you life.
Right.
Highlights gives you life.
So pagka short hair or long hair, either, no matter the length, highlights are still in.
Highlights are in, and then of course go with the gold tones, not more of like a beige. You know, let's go gold this time.
Bakit gold?
Siyempre summer. You know, people go tanning. People makes their skin look more tan and gold. So I think it matches with the hair as well.
All right. And we talked about this earlier, just to remind everyone who are just tuning in now, how do you care for the hair, especially during the summer season?
Oil treatment is very important. You have to wear a really nice leave-in protectant that protects your hair from UV and UVA rays. It's very important. Hair is an appendage of the skin po, and it's really important that you also protect your hair as well as you protect your skin.
So this is, you know, a lot of people, they have different answers for this. Do you shampoo your hair every day? Should you?
You could shampoo your hair every day as long as the product has a good pH level, especially I would say 4.5, 5.5, which is more of acidic phase. But if you use shampoo which are high pH, it could dry up the hair. So it's really important. You are using organic products right now, which is really good, and you could wear it. You could use it every day to wash your hair.
Yeah, I'm using Marlo Colina hair care products. I love them.
Do you like it?
Pagka ba kumukuha kami ng shampoo, let's say sa supermarket ganyan, anong dapat namin tingnan? Anong dapat wala doon?
As a stylist, I've learned over the years sodium lauryl sulfate is not as good as sulfate,
okay.
which is the salt content or the detergent, and it makes the hair follicle thin. So kaya nagkakaroon ng hair fall.
Ako nagpo-falling hair ako.
But
so
when you use the product, is it good?
Okay
is
na
it
siya.
better?
Yeah. And you have a range of products, right?
Yes.
Yes. Information on the screen. That's the phone number to schedule your appointment. Thank you so much, Marlo.
Thank you for having me.
What are you busy with now? So are you
just busy running around the salons, doing marketing, handling people, and enjoying life.
Enjoying life. Thank you. That's the most important thing. Enjoy life. Enjoy the weekend, everyone. Long weekend. Have a great one, and I'll see you. Kahit na po holiday, we have a show for you on Monday. Also, don't forget, check out our social media sites.
Happy Memorial Day.